What's up everybody, my name's Adam and welcome back to Street Brawlers Muscle. Today we're just going to do a short, tiny little video to show you guys how to install these things because they're kind of confusing. These are strut rod bushings. So we briefly went over this in the last video. That's how she's going in. So if it's wrong, comment down below and we'll fix it maybe next live. It was confusing for us, and I've seen after further research that it's confusing for a lot of other people online. So just want to make it crystal clear how to install these things when you're upgrading from a factory bushing. So right under here you got your strut rod bushings. As you can see, I already have a new one in. Here's the one I'm in the process of taking out now. First step is to remove the bolt, as you can see it here. Next step, right under your rotor here on your control arm, you're gonna have 2 bolts and 2 nuts, and you're just gonna back those off. After that, the strut rod should be able to come right out, just like that. All right, so now the rod's out, and this is the next step. Basically, this washer is going to go on like so. Then you put this inside the bushing. That goes on like that. Next, you got the retainer, which goes on like that. And this little groove here is going to sit in the back of there. And then you go from there to there to nut. Unfortunately, the little jam nuts, they're castle nuts, but there's no hole in this for a cotter pin, so I don't know why they're castle nuts, but I've seen people use them as jam nuts, but they don't fit. So they're junk. So as you can see, had a big battle before anyways, taking this thing off, but now she's finally in, so I'll repaint that to make it look nicer. Now all you gotta do is put this bushing with the tapered edge facing out, put the washer on, and then cinch the nut down and send her off to an alignment.